I always have somebody there in my corner.
Having that additional support to achieve your best, to achieve your dreams.
Without the Montfort and their extra support, I don't think I would have been at that level.
I feel very grateful and I feel proud to be part of DMU and DMU Sport.
The Sport Scholarship programme gives the opportunity for students to develop their sporting performance and also study whilst they're at DMU and get a degree.
Being part of a group of scholarship players supported by the university, by a number of workshops developed for us around nutrition, psychology, and just how to put our best performance on court, pitch, or in the swimming pool or anything.
You have to try and juggle both your sport and your studies at the same time. And being one of the sports scholars means you have a lot of help to create flexibility to allow you to juggle both of them.
Some scholars will have international competitions throughout the year, and so we really try and aim to support those scholars in attending those international events, talking to academic members of staff to ensure that they have that flexibility in their academic schedules.
I came to the Montfort at a time where I really thought I could achieve a lot with my sport because I was that kind of age.
It's really helped me continue with my training and to be able to maintain going to the Europeans every year.
I won the British University Championships twice and got to represent my university in the European Games, which is a big honour for me, being able to compete for the university that do so much for me abroad.
We try and give a holistic support package to individuals, and we know that that might be different for one individual to another.
As a mum, it's hard. You have to prioritise what you can and can't do. The scholarship meant I was able to get my equipment and really just enjoy it again.
There is the support. We cannot do everything by ourselves. There are people who are there for you. The motivation aspect is really important.
Really good camaraderie between everybody. Other athletes come to watch me compete, I've seen them compete. It's a real confidence booster, both as an athlete and looking forward as a career in robotics.
They don't have to worry about potentially the financial aspect because they gain the bursary.
It's freed up a lot of the stress associated with being a committed athlete. I don't have to work part-time jobs to fund my judo. The university looks after that side of it for me.
Funding to help out with like physio and keeping your horse at home, competition fees.
Membership fees to my swimming club. Travelling overseas, of course, it's not cheap. And on a student budget, that makes it even more interesting.
We look for a person that really wants to achieve, really wants to develop their sporting potential, has that inner drive to gain access to all the support that we offer to really utilise that to develop themselves.
I'm quite ambitious, I'm quite competitive. I want to achieve things and I don't want to stop, so for me it's definitely helped me moving in the right direction.
I would say the most beneficial part is to be able to be that example to other athletes. You know, to really have my hard training and constant hard work recognised.
If your sport is a Commonwealth Games sport, an Olympic Paralympic sport, or if it competes in the Bucks League, which is the university league, we will support that sport.
It's a real opportunity to push yourself both within your sport and as a academic. The scholarship opens up lots of opportunities that may not necessarily be there as a standard student, and I would definitely say go for it.
I remember receiving the email and being so pleased with myself and excited.
Just showcases what the support could do for your sporting performance and your career in sport while studying at DMU as well, whilst gaining a degree, which is a massive achievement.